Jesus. Crochet is so powerful, but yet so annoying at times. Like, what's up, beautiful people? It's Kayla. I am back again with another video. So today, I don't know if this is really going to be a tutorial, a fail, or a success. I don't know, but I am going to be attempting to do the short passion twist look. I've been wearing wigs a lot, probably for like the past 2 months now, and I'm just kind of over it. Gluing the wig down, styling the wig, I'm just kind of tired of it right now. So I was looking for, you know, a new look, something new to try. I saw this style on Instagram a lot lately, and I've been really wanting to try it out. So that's what we're going to be attempting to do. I will be using my good sis Naturally Sunny. Watched her video and it looked pretty simple, so we're gonna see if we can accomplish this. Last night I already went ahead and parted my hair, as you can see, and I did all of that with the use of my vanity mirror in front of me and my big body bends, please don't crash. But no, I used my big wall mirror to help me achieve this, because there's no way that I could do this without those. So, oh yeah, by the way, y'all ever had these from Dunkin' Donuts, these refreshers or whatever? It's so good. Not sponsored, by the way. Oh my god, my lips are actually. But yes, so if you would like to see me attempt to do this style, keep on watching. And I used my good trusty Shine and Jam rat tooth comb and rubber bands, of course. So I got 2 packs of the Freetress Joyfull curl hair, the crochet hair, in the color T530. So I got that. Pretty much matches my hair to a T. T530 T. Okay, so I got 2 packs of these just in case. I honestly might only need 1. I have my crochet needle as well. I can't do the whole braid thing like she does. I really don't know what I'm doing. I honestly don't think this is going to be that hard. We're going to see. This is what the hair looks like out of the pack. Y'all, this looks just like my hair color. That is crazy. So y'all, I'm going to go in with Naturally Sunny. She went ahead and put some moisturizing cream on her hair to not only, of course, moisturize the hair, it kind of like defrizz the hair a little bit, especially because I have like really thick hair. So for it to, you know, be able to blend in well with the crochet hair. So I'm actually gonna go in with the rich curl enhancing cream that I got from my Sally's haul. I actually used this on my curly weave and it worked really good. It was very moisturizing, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna use my little bootleg denim brush to brush it out. I'm gonna put some music on. Some tunes. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. Okay, I'm only spraying like 1.5 pumps. This is what it looks like. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my god. So Sunny, she went ahead and kind of fluffed this stuff out so it can kind of go and blend with my hair. Going in with the crochet needle. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all up when I get like to the front part, because it's kind of hard to show y'all from the back what I'm doing. Woo! Oh god, that shit hurt. Okay. So what Miss Sunny did was she didn't do it this way. So yeah, she went ahead and braided, and then she went and started to twist. So that's what I'm going to do up here. And I'm just gonna split the hair to both pieces so it can be even, I guess. So I got me a big old thing of rubber bands. Rubber band. Why I left the Taliban? think right here would be good. Oh, would have been cute. Kind of messed up right here at the top. It kind of, I don't know what the hell happened there actually. We're gonna get this, you guys. This is not even really that hard, so this might turn into a tutorial. Okay, so like here on this end part, it's kind of like, I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of like my hair is frizzing out a little bit. I might just put some more cream on that or something because I think it looks decent right there. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut. Oh, look at that. Okay, doesn't look bad, guys. Okay, I think we're on the right track here. So I'm gonna do a few more and I will see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm like 2 hours in and this is what we got so far. I'm liking it. This is the back. I hope it looked good back there, I don't know. Definitely have a lot of rubber bands because I had to cut a lot of them because some pieces were a little bit too high or too low, so I had to cut them and start over. Yeah, it's looking really good. So, but yeah, I'm about to continue on, and when I get closer, probably like when I get to doing these up here, I will show you guys how I did it. Y'all, I'm so glad that I went ahead and parted this stuff last night because I would have been here for hours, and I have other stuff to do today. So yeah. The pieces pretty much like fall apart, but I go ahead, depending on how much of my natural hair is out, I kind of try to even it out or make it a little bit more hair than that. But I've come to realize as I've been doing this, you need more hair than your actual hair because, for example, this one right here, like you kind of see like my hair coming out of it a little bit, and it's not bad, but I want a more neater finish like how this one is. If you could tell really the difference, I can, but whatever. So then you're gonna take the hair, kind of fluff it. I just wanna be successful. I think I got it this big as I wanted. Then just go in with my crochet needle, put it through like so, make sure the hook is open. Then, I mean, you can twist the hair to make it fit a little bit better, but normally when I do this like this, it kind of unravels anyway, but I mean, you can. And then you're just gonna put that latch on it and then hook it through. I don't know why I'm talking this like a tutorial because it is not. Oh, there you go. So once you have it through, I go in and like double tug it and make sure everything is like evenly through, because there is like a part right here that isn't. And then I go in with my hair and see, that's what I'm talking about. What the hell is that? See, that's why you gotta go back, because pieces be out here doing what the hell they want to do, trying to fuck up the vision. So once everything is going through neatly, kind of push that out the side, and then going with your hair, just like tug it to make sure that it is secure. And then I go in, see, this is a part I've been like going back and forth with because I don't know, I put water on it first. I did it on some and I did it without. It helps my product go into the hair better, so I do a few pumps of this, rub it, and then I just go in and rub it into my hair. I would definitely suggest not using anything that's really thick in consistency, because I did it on like 2 of them with another product and it looked just kind of cakey and it was not cute. So I'll just rub this in, just make sure it's evenly distributed. And then I also go in with a little bit of gel. I'm using the Xtreme, so I use a little bit of that just to bring it all together. So now that that is fully saturated and coated, I just go in and brush it just to make sure everything is flat. And then I go in and I take a little small section of my hair and place it with the crochet hair, so everything is like kind of evened out. And then I go in and I actually braid the hair just like 2 times until my hair gets back into the middle, and then I divide that hair up again, and then I actually start to twist the hair. I really want to make sure my front 2 sections are like the neatest and the cleanest, because they're gonna be out a lot for a lot of the hairstyles I'm gonna do with this style. So I just want to make sure like they're really, really neat. Since I've been doing this, I have come across some problems. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not all easy peasy. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it be, but it's like sometimes the hair, it just, I don't know, it just don't be neat looking. And like when I actually put the rubber band on, when it unravels, it look crazy. I don't know why. So like when I actually twist down, I twist all the way down, and then I let it unravel a little bit, because I've been putting on rubber bands first and then I see what it looks like unraveled, so I gotta cut the rubber band and then gotta not redo all of it over, but redo a good portion of it over. So once I get it to the length that I want it, I go in and kind of let it unravel a little bit so I can see what it looks like. See, like right here is kind of chunky. I don't like that, so I'm going to actually go back in and figure out what went wrong over there. If I gotta land, I will stick it. Hey, baby, let it go and you gonna miss it. Hey, I like the way this one looks, so I kind of just twist it back up a little bit. Go in with your rubber band. I kind of do it a little bit, actually a little bit lower than the desired length, because it ravels up. And actually I'm happy I have this shirt on because it's helping me with my length. All right, and then just let it go, and this is what it look like. It's cute. And then I just go in, cut that hole off like cake, snip, snip, hole. All right, so yeah, so that's kind of what it looks like. That's what I've been doing this whole time. So I'm just about to finish up and kind of fix some other little ones that I saw that look kind of janky, and then we're gonna come right back. Okay, so I have finished doing them. I kind of wish they were a little bit smaller, but my hair is extremely thick, so that would have required me to do like a ton of more boxes, and I had to top that. I'm gonna go in with some oil and oil my scalp. This is just some Jamaican black castor oil and wild growth oil. And now I'm gonna go in with my mousse from the Main Choice and put it all over. So I'm just gonna style it up, look a little cute, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. Actually, I like this. It's very different. I've never done this look before, but it's cute. It might have to grow on me, but it's cute. I like it. Okay, so I ended up using both packs. Thank God I got 2, because I literally only had 1 more left. I'm not sure how many I have in. I'll count and insert it somewhere later. But yeah, overall, doing the actual style, it took me, because I started like at 1 something. If I would have just kept continuously going, and if I didn't cut my finger and had to go back and fix little pieces that I didn't like, it probably would have took me like 5 hours, I would say. The parting took like 3 or 4 hours. If you have somebody to help you, I would definitely suggest having them help you do it, because it will make the process 10 times faster. I mean, I do twists and braids and stuff, but I never did a style like this, but it's really cute. I can't wait to try new styles and things like that. But yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if I did a good job, how it looks, how you guys like it. You know, all feedback is welcome. I won't be mad if you hate it, you know, that's you, because you a hater. I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.